This P0440 repairing video is dedicated to Hyundai's drivers. If your Hyundai is getting a P0440 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0440. It means the engine control module has detected a leak in the fuel tank vapor system, or a vapor pressure sensor has malfunctioned. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Hyundai's P0440 error code. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve prior to filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running, and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum suckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off, and replace it with a correct new one. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Hyundai's P0440 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.